This is how we make some chairs. Here, this is our chair. This is not the minecart, but it's a sitting down chair. See? It's our own chair. So, this is a tutorial, and I just broke the chair.
I play criminalities and he said, what is it?
So, and
That is budding sauce.
we're going to get.
What?
That is budding, so let's call her here.
I just break that so that I can show you how you can.
Okay, what's that to do?
It's the balloon. It's the balloon of Sisig. The one it.
I popped that.
Okay.
Ate mo is phone.
So just need 3 blocks. Then down. So oh, this is wrong. Just need like a block. Then put rails. And put a minecart and push it. There, and then push it a little. Oh no. If it's sunk in, we'll just try again. No, it sunk in again. Let's try here. Because I put a snow here. Well, let's try it again. Like this block. Then copy as the same as it. So, watch this looking at my sister's screen. So it's like that and like this. So now first put it right there, then push it a little. There we go. Then it's kinda you're inside it, but it's yeah. I will fix that again because it's really hard to make a couch if you're in like FCPE, because in Xbox they use pigs and saddles, or horses or saddles. They make them invisible so that it's like you're sitting on a chair. And yeah, we only use minecart, but if we have a pig, if we have a saddle, we can sit on a chair properly, not a minecart. Then there we go. And then yes, because it's easy. It's like you're sitting down on a chair now. It's really easy because like you're sitting on a chair. Pigs in saddles or horse in saddles are best way to use them because it's like you're sitting. This is wrong.
Okay. Kain na. Kain mo na bago. Typing. Oo, ano ko yung mga toast yan pag naluluto sa tawa. Hoy, Pepo. Peng-peng. Ay, like that.
It's not working
This is
well.
Jana.
Ay, naku, ayun na naman.
Ah.
We will get that.
There's zero.
Okay, goodbye guys.